Right, this is Dubuque, Iowa, 4th of July, and I'm down here passing out gospel tracts. I got 700 tracts. It's 7 o'clock, and it's already filling up, and you gotta get down here before the fireworks start, and otherwise when they start, nobody's interested in taking a tract. So I'll try to, I'm just by myself again, so it's kind of hard to do the tracking and do the videoing, but I'll stop occasionally maybe. All right, God bless you. Great opportunity to pass out tracts, preach any 4th of July celebrations. People are everywhere, and they're in a good mood.